And so then the second aspect of this is that centering the experiences of people of color does not mean that the experiences of white people don't matter. Our experiences do matter, and this is actually part of the problem because our experiences have been the only experiences that matter. And so whiteness, and then those of us who are racialized as white, is normative in our experiences, and like because of the way the racial structure works in the United States. And our experiences then are privileged above those who are not white. And so centering the experiences of BIPOC folks allows us as white people to understand the deeper reality of racism that's not present in the way that we experience race. And so when we take the time to center the experiences of BIPOC folks, this move creates the possibility for authentic connection across racial difference. And without it, then compassionate connection is not possible. And so like last week, when I mentioned the reading voice that I had and how this inhibited me from reading about the racial theories we read for today, centering Chris's experience helped me understand my experience in a new way. And it helped me go back to reading the text in a new way. I was no longer reading an abstract text. I was reading a text that validated my best friend's life experience, which created a new motivation within me. I found it empowering for me to center Chris's experience. And so this is an important aspect in practicing anti-racism.